Big up Crosses TV.
Practice TV, catch this.
Was a
Inbox.
freak.
Every, I know everybody in my inbox saying my lips are pretty. Who the fuck showed my video? But thank you very much.
Lord,
Guys, it's gonna be on Pornhub. I just set up my
Lord,
website. No, I'm going to set up. Yeah, I have a lot of videos to
No,
drop.
what?
Camera Sold, and follow me for Camera
Lord,
Sold. My name
the
keeps up
front
on Camera
part over
Sold.
there.
Sex sells, and I'm selling it.
Ooh.
Right.
When they were saying me
I
finger tamper, me
suppose
say me
them
see
you say you
string
sit
down
up on
like
your
a
pum right?
string.
But those
But
does
they
it
were looking at
ugly.
your pum
What
pum. Me go see one
I see from
string.
the back way. Well I don't yeah. Well I
No,
don't
no,
but
no,
no,
listen,
not look on the
you
girl.
they
should
never
have
said
look
that
and them
Ooh,
about
said ugly, you
ugly.
should
All
have
they
look.
was talking
Don't
about
look.
is the string
but
hanging out the pom pom.
Candy, you didn't you see the string?
No, you know what? I didn't see the string. I'm not gonna lie. I might have
Yeah,
missed that
Momo
part.
did show the string. That's all me say. I don't want to involve me with pum pum because I'm not looking in no pum pum. Send me some cocky, make me look upon
And
it
it was
and
the yoni
imagine.
pearl. It was the yoni pearl. My abi girl, you want to know what?
No, Mela,
Yeah, man,
I'm
having
not
fun.
joking.
I'm not
Mela,
lying.
what
Ooh.
did
This
I
is a
say? I
good. I
said to you,
needed
if
this
anything
video. I
comes out,
swear for
yeah,
myself.
yo, Mela's already got bare man and bare woman, you know. Mm.
Mm-hmm. Must say to blood clot, it come like them show me a sucky cocky. Me say
So over cocky did
everybody.
that so.
Also man will say them man a
She
freaking my
said,
bumbo
bro,
clot
God,
inbox. Oh, no be no. Bro God one. And the boy that suck my pussy. But the boy that suck my
Me and
pussy,
my
that's way
bed's
before
calling
bro
me, you
God. That's
know.
way
I don't
before
know
bro
why I'm
God.
up here. She
Where
knows
you
to
gone?
run. Run, fam.
no,
Let's
pause.
run.
No, the way Puss
You got
just
to big
run
book.
that, yeah,
Nah,
Puss.
girl, I mean, want to ask her say if him not suck back too.
Huh?
Puss,
My pussy
What I
hurt me,
you
want to
run like
Lord.
know,
you're a
Mello,
mouse
is
banana.
that's not
Alright,
even
no,
freaky. Like,
Mello,
anyway,
come
let me
back,
stop
man. You
fuck.
can't just run like that. Remember,
You
your
can't
name is One Bad
run from
Mello.
your
You
wife
can't be
like that.
running
I'm
like
not her
that.
wife. That got divorced
Oh,
long time, bruv. Don't
okay,
you
yeah.
Right.
mind?
You're not her wife, so you have to run.
You
Can
think
I
you
just
I
can
say
don't be video
something
your
quick,
stand
Puss?
wife, big
me?
Puss,
pearl.
because I'm a wind-up
You
merchant.
try
So when me
to
and
style
Mela
me,
was still in the cussing, I said to Big Pearl, don't call her your wife.
wife.
And Big Pearl was like, Candy, don't come and tell me.
But you must understand them in a little butter bruise, you know. Hey,
Yeah, because
You
she
know, I hear
knows
that.
that's why. What does she mean? I'll come back. Who are you to come tell people when to come and go?
you need to kick her in her face, big pearl.
She feels like she runs the shit. Candy don't want you after she saw tampon hanging out your fanny, and you're over there
Oh
getting lick
God,
out.
stop
She
it,
don't want
big pearl.
you.
No,
Okay, all right,
you know what?
okay,
Yeah, no. All
No,
right.
big pearl. No,
yeah,
don't follow there. Don't follow. Just you
okay,
understand? I am not
okay.
different. Regardless, me wrong, am I right, Candy?
No,
I'm
we
not
are.
dissing
But
Mela.
the
Yeah,
thing
yeah,
is,
so
That's
don't,
the
just
don't,
thing.
stop
don't,
Like,
lying
don't.
obviously,
me.
I'll
Yeah,
laugh and stuff with funny stuff that come up in the comments, but I'm not dissing
yeah, we
Mela. But
can
It is
laugh. Yeah,
funny
laugh about
though.
the funny things and big pearl.
It
Like what
is,
you do
but
today,
yeah.
I
that's
tell her, say, I
funny.
watch the show, that was nice. You don't have to say nothing, but just say, you come for watch the show, but not help tear him down.
No, no, I'm not tearing her down. It's real freaky stuff.
Yeah, freaky show.
Let me stop it, man. Jesus.
Big
Mello,
Mello,
just come
Lord,
back up, bruv. Just come back up. I'll stay quiet. Like, big man thing.
hey,
Big man thing. I'll
Peter.
stay quiet. Like, come back up.
she
Seriously.
miss you,
No,
Mellow,
Mello,
she
come
come.
up
No,
though,
I
man.
don't
Link
miss
up
her.
with
We're not
them
going to
live
do
one
that
day.
one, okay?
Mellow, she miss you and you miss her. You know, so when Mellow see her come here, Mellow, I know you were gonna pull me. I know you're gonna come in there. I pull you first.
Look at
No,
her
of
about
course,
her
don't
soon
stop
come
because I'll
home.
turn my
Let her
camera
No,
stay
off. Course,
there.
yeah.
she said no, she know you're gonna get kicked out. She know say the bipolar gonna turn up in her, my love. I, she, she know I catch her on the panel. Hey, big
Hi,
pearl,
you
vanilla,
guys.
big pearl, I
Alright.
Hi,
catch her on
Mello.
the panel for dealing her. Candy.
You
Sorry,
too,
pause. I
Candy.
can't keep my camera on when Puss starts talking because
Listen,
Puss
I'm
ain't
hot
got no
for her
behavior.
today.
Yes, because if you have your camera and go laugh, people will upset to see what cause me no problem, you know, with the
Me too,
crackhead.
me too. True word.
Me, I did business. I'm laughing out loud and clear, screaming.
No,
You'll
me
hear
just
me
that
laughing
teeth.
out
Me
my
kept me
nose.
that problem with the crackhead. Me got kid me teeth, the blood clot. Me never know so me dey borrow me teeth.
Auntie, you made
And
her cry, dog. You made the girl
I,
cry. Scared.
Look at Mello now about fat pum pum. See, 10 hours, yo.
Oh my
that's what
god.
Miller say.
Mello, not Mello. Candy no want, yo.
Big up
Yeah,
yourself,
no, to be
Mello.
honest, no, Mello,
Mello for mayor, I tell you, Mello bad man, Mello bad.
Mello, me don't want yo, Diva. Sorry.
Who you want now, Big Pearl?
um, I need to. I don't even know if I want anyone
him
after this. You know, I can't
big per,
say more. What do you
So
mean,
yeah, Miller really
mind your business.
left.
huh?
I just left it at the wilderness little.
Yeah, yep.
I Miller, you have a good thing I go on, yes, sir. And you fucky, and sucky.
Right, Auntie?
No,
Mello, you bad man.
She said, fuck you, and
But
fuck you,
now
fuck you. I
fucky,
can't
if you wear the
breathe.
damn brand. I want to them, I
People
want to
protect the
them, baby.
integrity of
All of
Yeah,
Mellow
us,
I'm coming,
State.
all
Mello.
of
I'm
us,
watching
I
over
be
you. I'm coming, Mello. No word of a lie. I'm coming.
See, it's not backing you, Mello. Because
Mello,
if you
for
saw
real.
something
Mello.
today,
Just say that you're in there, and I'm gonna sneak you through the white all the girls and the boys through the White House for you. All right? I got you, Mello. I got you.
shall
Not
I?
gonna
I
man.
She
tell
don't
Mellow,
you,
have
it's true.
you.
Mellow has
fighting.
all the men and all the women. Mellow, oh, you never tell me, say,
Not you
you take
cross this
cocky from,
TV.
eh?
Fuck too much, man, and
Benzo.
suck too much.
So then,
No, Melo.
say,
Trust
no
No,
me.
one
Melo
has
come here.
to
Trust
When you come
me.
the man,
everybody, me
no
no,
beat
no.
a man. And Melo come here, we must can't talk and laugh. Can't you see how the man look like, say, he want beard. Melo, so you want come in and look
Oh, for
dirty.
fuck's sake. How me fucking
Tell
kissing
her,
teeth? I
Mello.
love this.
Tell her sometimes
Oh,
you have
man.
to kiss one or two
Mello,
frog, but at the
Hold
end
you
of
on,
the
Melo.
are. So
time,
stop
you
lying.
bounce back. You have the
Melo.
sexy body girls, them Mello. You have the girls them with the boobs, Mello.
Who that? Who that look dirty man there?
Oh my gosh, this is why I'm screaming. This is what she doesn't understand. Me, I
Melo,
laugh
no
at
matter
me, I
come for me.
scream.
No matter come for me. Come and no matter come cuss me, ah.
The way Mello
Melo,
goes
who that
on, yeah,
dirty?
like
Melo,
high and
you
mighty,
never
and you
class
have
up your
that
sucker,
eating your
man.
tuntun. How is that a
Where's all my
Melo,
stuff then?
you never.
Mello, you
The
Melo,
see
thing
when
is,
my
did you
sister
see
say
the
she
man,
want to
Big
come
Per?
on the
Did you see
live
the
there,
man?
Mello.
no? But I've been
Mello,
Me
hearing.
barely see the man and me a flashy eye.
Did
Did you
you see
Melo,
see
Candy?
the man? Did you see the man, Per?
No,
No, I
I saw a
didn't
little
barely
see
see
clip.
the man and me nearly
nothing.
have heart attack, my love.
I see a
Cause me
glimpse.
I
I
said
didn't
that
really
Melo get
see.
that good man, yeah,
I
only if it's say.
just saw Melo standing up. I'm not gonna lie. That's all I saw. I never really
Oh
see
Wait,
my
I
anything.
Melo
god!
stand up and suck
No,
him
I
and him a
saw a
suck Melo.
woman
What do you?
standing up,
What did
but
he?
to
She
be
was
honest, I don't
standing
know if
up,
it was
sucking
Melo.
cocky.
No, 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 no,
That
no.
is a
I
she have
don't
a
know.
balls.
Oh my
I big problem sorry for your crutches,
Nah,
Melo.
Mello,
The
come
Melo drape
explain
up your
this.
crutches.
no. Add Melo. Add
No, I
Melo.
can't
Add
lie. I
Melo.
wanted to come and explain how the flip. Why? How was she standing up, sucking cocky,
No,
please?
I saw
Yeah.
when
Class
Moma went
and
into
big
the
bra.
phone. I saw a silhouette of a lady standing up. I
Melo,
didn't.
you may
It was
talk
a clip
over.
glimpse. I didn't. I don't know if it was Melo. To be honest.
No, it's
It was
darling out.
Mello.
She the
The
way you
thing
come down, friend.
is,
She
yeah,
Melo and run
Melo,
from Big Pearl.
me know you're a freak, but me never know you're a freak.
She's
I
only
knew
been
Yeah,
trying to
Rogan
flirt
and
with
that
was a
can me
sweetheart. So
come
tell
freak.
her
and
it
come
want
ask her
you.
say, me never know say you want big dirty freak. Me never know say you want big dirty ton of freak, ton of jankro. Hey,
Bum
but
No, I
friend, I say
didn't.
no.
Me
Melo ton a
he was
liar.
Turn
standing
out
up
the tea
fucking. I
free.
didn't
Turn out
see that.
drink her.
Not,
That's Mello.
No,
Stop
hey,
I
God,
it.
haven't.
Sherry.
well, I'm running Mello for yeah, we can't even say mayor no more.
Congress,
Mello for president. That we
Congress.
define.
You've been saying this, yeah, but not for president now, boy. I say
Ton
moments for
a
president
dirty
still,
freak,
cause
ton of jankro.
I can't lie, cause
Decent girl,
Me did
alkaline,
you don't
alkaline,
pan
one
me
know you
man and
Melo.
suck, bro.
No, but sitter. I will Melo get that dirty man there.
No, I'm not gonna lie. Right. Can I just say something, guys? Because
Yeah.
it's like no one was listening to me when I was saying it. No disrespect to you, Mello, and I'm not jumping on the bandwagon. I'm not being rude, okay? When I was saying, bro, God, no one sure, and I was saying all of that, everybody dissed me and was trying to come against me, but yet everyone now
Yeah.
is rinsing the same thing every 5 minutes. What happened?
All I know on the Instagram, beer rub front tag one.
Listen, bare rub front, bare. Let me stop.
Cocky
Let me
I
just
get
be right.
suck.
And pussy,
Every
I
time
get
my
sucked. Oh
cocky
my
gets
god.
suck, yo, I them thing I go about, yo, Mello, you're the boss, man. You're the boss. Anybody
God, Mela.
said, I don't think
I don't know
don't think
why
I
people
stopped
even.
saying this. I'm never gonna stop saying it. You know, Mello for president, Mello. Okay.
Okay, Mello.
Just call it a win. Do you know what? Let me just.
No, I'm telling her today, say Melo win. Melo, they just suck my Melo ego. They
Right,
just
Auntie?
turn on Melo.
It does, you
You see
know.
who they
It
just
fucks
start
with her
talk?
ego
Melo look which
badly.
girl in back she can go in and know. What the Melo find one with favor, with fat like, or one with kind of look like Melo and she talk about, she go call in Melo. Yeah, Melo, listen to me. You don't bother call
Every
me, you know,
time you
kind of
fuck,
look right with it.
pussy gets sucked.
But that means bro God. That means bro God suck your pussy then, because every time you
Yeah.
fuck, your pussy gets sucked.
Wow. Every time I fuck, my pussy gets sucked.
Well,
No, no, no.
obviously yours does, Candy. We're not asking him.
Yeah. If you make you wanna suck, bro, God, and him not suck it, that means said scan you. I mean, no, you don't eat that girl for make him a sucker. I remember him say you have to mind him. So with them
Look at
mind
her,
in there, you must
percent her runner.
why not go down there?
I
Go
don't know
down.
why you're
But
being so nice to me,
me know so
Mello.
she
Now,
because last time gifted at Pana Live. She said, boy, bro, God, you want me to drop the video? But
Mm,
I don't want to talk. Melo, I don't want to talk your business, but I'm gonna keep it till you talk.
no,
mm-hmm.
Look at her running. No talk.
Every
Mello, where y'all
time you
run go,
fuck me
Mello?
pussy
Stay
get
That's
here,
what I'm
sucked,
Mello,
saying.
where
You
y'all
see how
go?
she's running. As soon as Auntie Puss open up the mouth, she start run. No,
when
The thing is,
people gotta remove people
add
out of your
Mello. Let me
life.
come
It's the
down.
blessing.
Let me come down
Thank
and
you,
add
Muslim.
Mello.
Sometimes it's the blessing.
oh my
Pause.
Sometimes
god,
it's the blessing. And sometimes
Pause.
Candy,
some
where are you
people can't go
going?
on a journey
I
with you.
said
So stop
add
fight for them
Mello.
go with you.
She's not
I
gonna
want
come
Mello
up
to
because
come
I'm
up.
here.
So is it
Mello,
Big Purr the
Mello,
Mello,
wife?
Mello, Mello.
So
I'll
hold on,
call your
Big Purr, you're not
name.
the wife?
I'm not her wife. She got divorced, bruv. You think you can style me on live, and then you think you
Oh
could,
my God, you
after what I'm
divorced Mello, Big Purr?
yeah, you can have her
you don't
now
hear?
still.
Oh my God.
Mello,
Don't worry,
you're
Mello, I got you,
still.
Mello.
I
Mello,
don't even
I'm
want to
up the
call your
gambling for you,
name.
Mello.
Mello is
I
a
got you.
skettle.
Mello, I
I look
don't
at
even
you get
want to call your
divorced with
name. You're
kettle.
still.
Hey, I look
One
at you get
five
divorced with
wife.
kettle because you that
Candy.
shame with
Yeah.
her. You
In
that
it,
shame
I'm
by that
happy. I'm
crowd with
not
that
shaming
shame
her.
tonight.
Mello says she has 5 new wives. So Big
About
No,
5
no,
new
Purr is not
wives.
wasting
no,
no
don't.
time on you.
Sorry, you can't be on
I
the
don't
live
mind,
because I
I'm
can hear
happy.
myself.
Thank God riddance.
Me
How can
say
I hear myself
you
then?
Riddance.
that shame with her. Shame with her kill it two on.
Free, free, free.
I'm happy
For
as
Oh
fuck. You
God,
know,
problem.
Bella
big
little
boy.
joke better than
Basically,
Carl, yeah.
Big Per, you was a problem.
Huh?
Mela says she's free
1 minute
from
sit down and
problem.
see who this.
No, she was the problem, and I'm happy. I'm
To
God riddance.
tell
Good
me love you.
riddance.
The thing
See,
is, anyway,
Hey Jackie.
what I want to know is about nothing. Let me just okay.
Let's see what up here. No, fuck that. Man, I depend upon her with that.
Yeah, bye, bye, bitch.
I want to
hold
ask
on,
this.
Mela, you never knew Big Per was up here.
Of course
She knew I was
she
up
know.
here. She's
Charming.
acting that she knows I'm up here. Obsessed. They're just obsessed, Mello, bruv. Stop
No,
it, bruv.
Mela is funny.
Me
No,
said
Mela is just
the
funny.
gal them with the coolest old forward. I'm a clap.
About
Me
me
say
not
to blood
being
clot.
up
Melo
here when
pick up.
she up here.
Me say
What's
for
so
come down for
scary?
Melo. And Melo turn around one of the man when she a supply the jug. She make them eat her. For come down for Melo. You know. Okay, come down and it a come down. Come on down, dog.
So this
Melo,
can't
you
fix this
wicked.
What do
one,
you
no.
mean there's nothing to fix? I don't want you, bruv. Were you alright?
Pause, bring
Yeah.
up the
You're
bar,
not my
please. Bring
type.
up
You're not
Melo.
my type,
Bring up
We
the
big
just
bar.
bring
dude.
her up and she come down say, Big Pearl a trouble her.
You was the Instagram wife, and I found out you're a big sketel for true. I mean, I want you, and actually, I've been doing
See,
that for a
yeah.
long time,
Remember, Melo
and that's why I keep
done the same
cussing
thing to
you.
Sasha. I said, she no want her car. She find out
Sasha
say. And so Big
Kettle.
Purr's using the same thing on you, Melo.
I'm not
Imagine. You know,
coming down. Auntie Puss
must
had
be
me
a
up here. This is where I am right now. I'm not going nowhere. You can't tell me to come down. The fuck?
What UK call you 7 men?
You're
Huh?
talking about the UK. You're talking about no, they don't. They call me 5 guys, and they're clearly lying because I showed the guy.
7 men.
She's so dumb. Okay, but hold
Mellow,
on,
come
wait.
up here.
Let's make it clear.
What you
You
Whether
were
they
they
call
making
call you
me,
sure that I
7
hold
picked
men?
on,
you up.
wait.
I picked up for you.
Wait 1 second. Whether they call me 5 guy, 10 guy, 9, my pussy's not out a door, and I definitely ain't getting fucked on my period. So don't ever think you can come and try and
Mitchie,
He
style
said you're
me.
really
You
trying to
can't
stand for
style
him
me.
Mitchie,
like
You had
where
a
that.
did it today?
tampon.
I be a
You
girl
had a
a robot
tampon
crutches to Mellow, Mitchie.
string. You had a tampon string hanging out your crotches. Me and you ain't the fucking same. So don't come bright up yourself about 5 guys, because guess what? Them 5 guys know to be posted good, and me did fuck them, and I never.
I never fist
And then
suck it to
some
talk
mad.
about that part.
That's what I'm saying. So don't
Put
come
me
for
ignorant
me.
for Melo no blood clot,
So
and I just the
don't come
truth.
for
Me
me.
want class, Melo.
Yeah.
Class, me want class, Melo. Yeah. And that combo.
Why you
Yeah.
And
ignorant with
Mellow
Mela?
crying on your
Why you
way.
upset with Mela?
Hey, you know, sister,
Eh?
one crackhead Mellow pick up.
Why?
Here there. No put me down on that part they come. Me don't know about that part
You know,
there.
you never see the
But
money and that Mellow just a lick
but when
so
me
like a
want
dog. You
but when
just
me
a,
want but when me really and truly want class Melo and tell Melo, me want me hear a little story, say Melo I disrespect Momo upon life, and me no like that part there. Because the two of them are friends and you're not supposed to
yeah,
reach
Sean.
this. So me
The
not
two of
like
them are
that
disrespect them one
part there.
another. So that's
No,
why.
but me ears say my Melo for start it. If I lie,
Okay,
then me I
okay.
only can talk about what I hear and it
Yeah.
was said on the live. So me I say that part there, no, me not like that part there where Melo accused mom up and live because them supposed to be friends. Them did cuss
Yeah, them
already
two go in
and
an
they make bygones
inbox.
with bygones. Them should never go up on live and personal life for one another and
Go
then
in an
call
This
people
inbox.
for
the
one
True,
same
another.
true.
Mitchie that was being rude to Fly Fly the other day. Is this the
Well,
same Mitchie?
So be I say Melo is supposed to go up on live and
Okay,
if Melo really go up
is.
on live and I tell Momo and I call Momo so good and I this
Okay.
oh,
Momo first if she
oh,
first
me
do
never
it, she not could
can
do it.
you
She
hear about
wrong,
that,
she not
Candy?
I didn't
I
hear
was
that.
there.
that's what me I
Oh,
say.
What?
And me
Candy says
say
she
I
if
was
was
them have
there,
a
but the thing
problem,
is,
if them have
because
a problem, them
anyway,
for go
What you
start
was
it
there
out
when
off of
Mele
Instagram.
said that?
no,
Go
not
style they one another in
Mello.
a
I'm sorry, I'm
inbox.
getting confused with what's going on.
Mellow.
Me
Mitchie,
message
why
you
you
today,
never
you never
called me?
answer me. I message you today and you did not answer me. I did
Yes,
message you
sir.
on the live and you
Things
never
no
answer.
picky. Some hear with that car, but more, but because Mellow don't like hear the truth. We
No,
tell her
Actually,
the
Melo.
she don't
truth.
like hearing the
Melo
truth.
like that's the thing too. Melo don't. She will hear the truth and take the truth, but you see some people not like when people tell them the truth in front of people. They feel like them are go against them, and that's all we need to understand as big people. Sometimes we will listen to the truth when time you deal with it in a calm manner. If you're gonna deal with it in a manner where it's gonna come off as a bully, it's gonna be embarrassing and
Well,
people not gonna take that.
maybe
If
that
me will take it,
happened to
puss, or you
Mellow.
will take it, somebody else is not going to take
But
it. So
nobody
better you
really
go.
not take it. Them
Better
really,
you go tell them off closed door. Me know say mama must have Melo number or whatever, then can call in the inbox and talk
facts,
about a
facts.
situation.
Mitchie, are you from
I just say
Brooklyn?
it's for there. Quick fix.
Mitchie,
You
I tell
understand?
one
Mitchie.
time them Mitchie, I go piss
I
out
don't
of
know
a good one.
why
So
she's acting like
me
she
I
can't
said
hear
to
me.
Melo say if Melo reach a point where she go on live and I go disrespect Momo, what she
It's the
tell
same
me
girl.
say she love Momo. I mean never say she disrespect Momo yet. So me cannot say it's true. I'm not gonna say it's lie. I'm talking what I heard and it was said on a live. I'm telling Melo that she's
I'm
wrong to
calling
say it. And then
butterfly
for go
over.
fix the issue of a
Sorry.
social media because certain things don't make no sense. You understand? Certain things on social media
Huh?
don't make no sense.
Okay
Everything
then.
I go on social media now, I mean, see nobody I kill nobody. In
Oh,
which me no want nobody for dead, but you just need to stop and live before I run the joke and re. Fine. And not entertain and re. Fine. But when time when I go class now dance certain things to another panel life, you know, acceptable, brother. Because we want to see everybody a laugh and a chatter. Remember one blood clot time, you know, when time some girl from out of the bush, me don't know which part the girl then come from, you know. And the girl them come from more from me don't know which part then. I literally Melody them, me did it, Carla did it, so whole heap of we did it and the whole of we attack because we say we don't know which part then girl come from. Where reach a stage where we make some people come in a thing and broke up on thing and make you acquire with each other, brother. That don't make no sense, bro. That don't make no sense. And I just the truth. I mean, I go forever talk the truth. You know, make no sense.
Hold on one second.
Nobody
Sorry,
when me know.
Nikki.
Nobody
No,
when me
Kurt
First and
did
on social
write
foremost,
media
something
let
in
me
the
this them,
say,
you know.
comments, but I'm not being funny. Yeah, they was already saying that before.
Nobody now
Per
make me
said
come on
anything.
social media and this them, you know. Nobody when me and them talk or me and them talk
hold
on
on,
social
Mitchie.
media.
1 second. I need to say something because Melo's in the comments doing the most. First and foremost, Momo did not say that I said, oh, she was shutting her. She said other people were sending her things before I said today in the comments that you did say that she was classing you, and I asked you who Momo. That is all I fucking said. So don't come and be talking about how I said this and I said that. But dirty bitch, don't come for me, yeah? Go clean your fucking tilapia pussy
Your body
and
no.
leave me
Yeah,
alone. Yeah?
tilapia
My girl
Don't
pussy,
have
you
from
come
know.
London,
round
That's
yeah, she
all.
here
body no.
to
She not done,
me.
you know.
My
You
girl
had
said
the
But
whole
tilapia
tampon
pussy,
in your
you
but
know.
my
pussy
friend,
and had man licking your coochie. Me and you are not the fucking same. Don't bright
yeah,
up
there,
yourself to me. Do
yeah,
you
there,
understand?
yeah,
The
there.
fuck you talking about, man?
But baby
Anyway,
girl, wait
sorry.
there. But baby
Continue.
girl, wait there now. Then yeah, Melo never did in love. What make it reach on the social media
No, we
now?
wasn't in love. How can I be in love? Like, this is what I'm saying. People
But
just
but
get it
but
real twisted on
Per,
the
me
app.
you
not
was
think
the
me not
wife.
think
What are you
Nobody
me and
talking
Melo
is
did
about?
in love.
gay.
Per,
No, me don't know. Me
you was
can't do
the
like you, my brother.
wifey.
Me not can't do
No,
them like
but it
you, my
doesn't
brother.
matter if I was the
God
wife or
no.
not. Do I know her in real life?
No. Well, I mean, I
Exactly. I
got
don't know her in real life. I don't chat to
So
her
weird.
all the 24/7. You know, I talk to her,
Okay.
but she's not my real wife. Like, I'm not lesbian. I love dick.
But
Like,
baby
you
girl,
get
all
it?
right. But if you're not taught, that means say you're entertainer and she entertain you. So that means
Yeah,
say
I'm
something wrong.
entertaining her, but not like that because there's no entertainment. Come and show me where I've
So
been
when time,
entertaining her.
so
Have I
hold
touched my
on.
pussy for her? Have I been talking sexual to
Me,
her? No.
that
No
me I
one
tell
don't
you
know
so,
how I
all
talk to
right. Me
her.
don't know. I don't know
Exactly.
if
No one
I
don't
don't know,
know how
baby
I
girl.
talk to her, but no one can't tell me who. But just because you see me here and there calling her my wife, that don't mean nothing. I can call Candy my wife, and that don't mean nothing. I can call anyone my wife right here. That don't mean shit. What does that mean? I don't know her in real life. She's in America. I'm in England. That
So wait
at the
there,
end of the
baby girl. Let me
day,
ask you a question. Come on, you
yeah,
can help me out. I saw wait there.
yeah,
A Melo at the girl is panogram or who are you trying about the girl is?
yeah,
Melo
she's
at
the
the girl is.
yeah.
Gallus and the Manis,
A
both
She,
Melo have fuck
Manis
off
and
figure for the
Gallus.
girl on internet.
yeah, she. I fuck off all the
Anybody
gal them
who
and the man
wants a
them on the
man
internet.
or a woman,
And that
just
means
know if you can't get them, it's because they're over
Oh,
mellow.
oh.
the in a Melo
That
DM.
means say that means say then mom but that means say Melo me have to go one my woman because Melo me no want chop up your me no want chop up your Melo.
Mello, there's nothing for
Melo
you
me
to
want
go
me now
there
for
with
your
me
back, you know.
with. Are you
Oh,
okay? You
that's
tried
why
to
you not going
fuck
to my
with
woman
Fatback,
DM Melo.
knowing that he
Oh.
fucked with me, and he still didn't fucking want you, and he only was talking to you to get back at me.
But the
Do you
thing
not
is
feel
that
sad?
Big Per, how is it that
My
all
woman
your
are good as Melo
brethren
can't go there for me over
want your
DM. Come
people
in
them?
don't
No,
you.
Yeah,
no.
I don't know why. That's what I'm
So
trying to say. Why? That's what I'm
Shorty,
saying. They've been doing it's because from the
sure.
start.
Shorty, you hear me?
Yeah.
Shorty. From the moment you entertain somebody, that means you're deeply into them. Once you
No,
entertain, you
it doesn't
understand?
mean you're
No,
deeply
they
into
were
them because
brethren. They were brethren, to be
exactly that's
honest.
what it was,
Mm,
and we called each other wife.
mm, mm,
Like,
like
So,
best friends or whatever.
Shorty, let me ask you a question between me and you. I know why you talking about here. I'm more your like.
uh, Bobo, I'm not a lesbian, hon. Like, I like
Oh.
man.
Oh,
I
you
like
like man.
dick,
Oh, okay.
cocky.
Me
Yeah,
understand now.
yeah,
Okay, me
that me
understand.
like.
Me understand.
Yeah.
I who's are the only blood clean judge me know I got prison now. She and Trump are gonna end up in the same cell. So then can make a couple in there.
No, you did want him because that's why you're out here telling people how you was talking to him before me. He didn't even fucking know you. I'm the one that
Wait
made
there.
him know you,
Mela,
bitch.
how
Okay.
you so honey? How Mela, make me a reason.
You do
Mela,
want
how do
him.
you make your heart much woman? Mela, I want triangle you in upon social media, you know, my friend. Our speak
Right, you have to
here in
remember
our me
Mela
don't
was
know
in
where you know,
prison
your
with
brother.
pure women,
Hear me.
so that's where that sexual side comes from. Then she never got cocky for how many years, so
Exactly. Yeah.
you
So,
know.
Oh,
so she just
so she
get
never
Exactly.
look back.
girls.
Oh,
So
when she did oh, me understand
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Oh, me understand.
Mm.
what do you mean your show start back? Your show's been all fucking day.
But wait, but still, me not telling like me I defend Momo now. I'm in a situation as now. Melo, if you disrespect Momo still, you need to go apologize and you're supposed to press live for each other
No,
on
I'm not
social
being
media, brother.
funny. Yeah, this is
We're
what
not
gets on my
supposed to
nerves
press
with people.
live
They're not supposed to tell
for
people how to
social media for
deal
the
with things. You can't tell
twang.
someone they need to go and
Apologize.
You
apologize.
understand?
Not in
And
a
you see
rude
man tell me say
way. Not
Momo did
saying
it
she
for you,
shouldn't,
bro.
but you can't say you need to go and apologize because it's up to her to feel like she wants to apologize.
And you see man tell me say Momo did it for you, bro. And you love Momo. You tell me you love Momo and Ray. You're not supposed to
Melo
disrespect
don't
brother
love
for
no
internet
one
and
because
them
Melo
thing,
likes to
brother.
tell me she loves me, but you don't love me, boy. You love chat too much. You
Well,
always say
no,
to me, you love me
well,
all the time,
Melo
bro.
don't like hear the truth. When you tell Melo the truth, she turn a vampire.
No man, she not supposed to figure up on the live and disrespect Momo still post because Melo tell me say she love Momo. And she love Momo and she tell me
But
say
anybody
Momo about back
can
and
tell about
re.
love.
That's what I'm
Love
saying.
No, but
don't mean
she
nothing
never
at
did tell
all.
me
Action
post,
speak.
you know,
When did
understand. She
Tandy
never did tell
go?
me pan no live. You
No,
know when
you
time,
shut the fuck
when
up,
somebody,
Melo.
you know when somebody tell her pan live and say whatever you can say, but she never say pan no live and she never that talk to nobody here or whatever. She said
Mm-hmm.
me love Momo bad because she did it for me and
Oh.
Ray. You understand? So no, like she does say
And they
whatever.
know
I mean, never
she
have to
try
come
play
on
a
this account say that
victim.
you know. Me
Then
never
she
have to come,
try play
but
a
Melo,
victim.
come
Say,
and
some
fight
people,
me,
Momo.
brother,
me I
Then
come
here
motherfucker.
fight.
are victimized. Momo, I never no friend because me more quick for cuss
It
her.
was
She not say a
in your
cheap
fits,
cuss.
man.
So you what them
Seriously.
a say
What
same
That's
happened?
thing,
all
brother. It one of need
ignorant
to go
right now,
start out
man.
on the shit, bro,
Seriously.
and stop
What
coming on
happened?
social media with this, bro. Cause you don't make no sense,
What
brother.
happened?
Melo, me hear say eating a
Shit.
go on and sitting. But
Melo,
me I tell you
what
to
you need
blood
me and you
clot.
And the
later? Like,
eating part.
Me
No,
can't
I'm
end up on
not
court
Listen,
cause
gonna
me I go be the
panel that,
persecutor.
but I'm
You
private,
know
so.
see. Me want to be the persecutor. Hey, when the court call up here, so I don't make sure you call me here, so I want to be the persecutor, no blood clot.
No,
I want to
I'm
spend
not
time
gonna
with
lie.
children are
I
you.
want to know
hating
what's
it.
me and you later. That's what I want to know. Cause there's
yeah,
no
I got to come
later.
over here to hear about the eating part.
The time is
I come here
11
hear something
o'clock.
about some eater. But Melo me say turn porn star mama. What a way the bum. Yo Melo, remember good
Full
no man,
star
me a
with
good manager, you know
tampon.
charge.
No, man, I feel like that salad right now.
Charge, remember me a good blood clot manager, you know, can manage you make your money come
It's
through quick,
about
you know,
it.
brother.
Why, Melo?
But
Are you gonna go
you
back on
turn
your
porn
life
and you
again
want
and
a
try to
blood clot
argue about me and
invalid
chat
right.
shit?
Make me be your manager charge. Anything I upload, I'm me supposed to upload it,
Yeah,
brother.
definitely not a star, Melo. Yeah, definitely not a star.
My girl, you
No,
can't understand. I
I'm
mean,
not cut the
me not get no
The
commission
star
because
with the
your mommy
tampon
charge
inside
you.
the pum pum getting licky. That is not star behavior.
Oh, you know so much more than the city
That
there.
is
You look bad.
unhygienic. Because
No,
that's what was shown and said on the live.
but Melo
It's
between me and you know,
unhygienic.
But you there
Very.
speaking up for Melo one day, so
Melo,
how you on Melo's neck now?
Who?
Melo,
Not you.
Melo,
Oh,
Melo. Oh, what
we
she
never
said?
know
What you say,
all.
baby girl? Wait, I mean, I
Weren't
talk to.
you on? Yeah.
Say what? What you say me
But
do?
ain't you the one who was arguing with Butterfly one day?
If I made that, when me that argue, say talk good. I make the people
No,
money up
I'm
on
not
the
gonna
live
say
good.
argue. Say I said, weren't you the one who was arguing with Butterfly one
Me
day?
tell no lie upon me, my
I,
friend. Me not argue with no
I
girl
said,
on
weren't you? So
Instagram.
I'm asking
Me go
yes or
on
no.
live, me go on my live, me go on Melo live the
Oh
other
Lord,
day. No, let me
gonna
explain to
kick
you
off.
what go on. Come, you know why you tell no lie
No,
upon
because
me and
you
me not
know
nobody
what?
get it
Because
wrong.
her name
Listen
was
now.
Mitchy Boo, and I can
I'm
see
me and
it
Michibu,
saying
one
Mitchy Boo.
Michibu.
There
And
can't be
Michibu, me name, my
one
friend.
because I see one the other day running up their mouth.
Yeah, listen
That's
to me.
why I'm
Listen
asking.
to me. I said to you now. Me no name Michibu. Me name Mishibu. Mishibu, me name. In
Fuck's
case anybody, me name one
sake,
Mishibu.
I'm
One
British,
Mishibu, me name.
darling. That's
My
how I
name
talk.
spell. My name spell Michy. So me name. So listen me now. The other day, I go on a live. I'm go on a live. I'm gonna talk because I'm gonna charge you up and way
So
back on
it's
the
you.
gram.
So
A
just say it
girl.
was you, man. When you going around telling me what's your name, was it you? Yes or no? That's what I'm
Yeah, but you
asking.
tell lie for me, my
Mister
friend, and that me I try to make you
F,
know
was
now.
it you? That's what I
He said
want
it
to
wasn't
Was
know.
it
her,
You're
me doing
going
fam.
what?
round.
Was
The
it me doing
fuck?
what?
Was
Was it me doing what?
it you who was arguing with Fly one day? That's what I asked you.
So I tell us my friend, me don't know who name fly. That me tell us a lie. I tell for me now.
I didn't. I
Don't tell
said
no lie
was.
for me.
That, how
Me
can
not
it be
argue
a
with
lie
nobody,
if
my
I'm
friend.
saying was? Are you
Oh, me not gonna
silly?
argue with somebody when me don't
Literally,
know,
she's
girl.
asking
My
you if
lord.
she's asking a question.
That's what
said
I'm saying.
pussy.
She's telling me
Shardy.
how her name's spelled, but you can't listen to
Shardy, she a
normal
lie
standard
for me.
English.
She a tell lie for me, Shardy,
How
because me
can I
don't know
tell
who
lie
name
on
fly
you?
fly.
I
Me don't know who
asked
name
you,
fly fly.
woman. That is why I asked you.
My friend, take time with the attitude, my friend, because me
No,
not
man,
getting an attitude,
because
yeah?
you're being annoying, because you're telling
Oh
lie
my
on
god.
me now. You're talking about, "Can't tell lie about me." You're the one who's telling lies, woman, because I did not fucking tell no lie. I asked you
Bumbo.
a question. Do
My
you get
friend,
it?
all right. Hey, people, you call the person when you
We're
fly fly,
not
make me
friends
ask
because
her if
I
she know
don't know
her.
you from nowhere. You just
My
told me how your name
friend,
was spelled.
people
Don't
on the
bother about
live.
my friend. Bye,
Anybody who
man.
name fly fly, you know, call her and make me ask her if she know me there. Puss, the judge. Call her who name fly fly, make me ask her if she know me or if me and her in an argument. Because I don't even know who the bumbo clock name so. Because I can't take kind of girl I know, because England she live. She there far. I might think a different thing. You know, do certain things on social media. Call the girl name Fly. Here they all the name there. Fly 29. Me need a first me see that the bumbo clock name there. Murder! And then I get a band for blood clot mix up people, you know, man. No, you ever hear me over here call this a girl that name no, I mean no blood clot, no who name Fly. Can't bother a pussy clot. Hey girl, right now me even get upset, you know, a pussy clot. Cause them I say, can't take them I sit here, yeah, charge you. I think different, my girl. I swear to God, me think different. That England there, I can't take care right now. Cause I can't win your blood clot. Me not do no 40 days and 40 nights. I not do no 3 days and 3 nights. I not do them something, I'm a friend.
Can
I do the
you fly
Instagram
fly?
thing. And England you're there, so I can't win you.
I
You win
can't
already.
entertain these
I'm
people.
so
You
I
win
confused.
come up
already,
for a
my friend.
reason,
Cause
Puss.
me
I don't
can't
want to
argue
speak
with
to
you. Me
this
not
woman.
go
That's
win you.
why
All
I
right.
cut myself off from the first
Okay.
time.
Don't stoop to me, my friend. Just go on.
What do you
Don't stoop to me. You're up on
mean
a higher
speak to
level.
you? You're
Yeah,
going to
that me
be
I
the
tell
only
us say
one
you're
who's
up on a
bowing down to
higher
me. Are you
level. That me I
stupid?
tell us say you're up
Don't
on a
bother
higher
with
level.
that.
Go on, no man.
Do you
Where you
know
come
me
back
from
from?
anywhere? You're going to be the only one who's bowing down to
Go on, no
me. Do you
girl.
hear me?
Go on, man. Go
Stupid.
on. Go on, come in and disrespect your bumbo hole. Go on. Come in and get mad in this. So just go on, girl. Go
Nobody
on.
get mad.
Go on, girl. You look for to argue with bumbo hole. And I can't get no relevance right now. Me can't get not a fuck. So look for me fucking followers. Then me can't get no bumbo clad followers, brother. I only for page they ask for me, my friend. Me not have no followers can't get right now. Push them can't get followers. Nobody come for me this evening, girl. Go.
Crackhead.
Me
Take them
can't
in
get
corners
me
and send it
can't
on
get
no
no
more.
followers here, girl. So just stay in your lane. Cause me even know who the fuck name Fly. Puss! How name Fly? Puss oi! Puss,
Yeah, eat.
Puss, who name Fly?
When I eat, me can't talk.
Me ask, Puss, you take everything for joke, brother. Me ask you say who name Fly? Who name so? Who
Oh,
name so?
Papa, one our friend. No.
That me I tell us my Puss, you ever see me nobody name Fly in argument yet? Cause you are the village lawyer for Instagram, you know. You ever see me nobody for Instagram? And you are prosecute the people man and send them a fake book
No.
defense for me.
No,
You
I
ever
you.
see
know,
me
but
nobody
No,
that's
me
why
name
don't
she
Fly
asked you.
argue
She
with
said
nobody.
for
she
Instagram?
asked you a
This little
question. She
fly
said,
body
"Was you
blood
arguing
clot
with
girl
Fly
come and
Fly?"
come for in an argument. I wonder if hey girl, you know me?
I think I'm
My
misunderstanding
friend, me
with
know
you.
the bumbo
It
clock.
was
Yap
a
on social media, you
misunderstanding
know, girl.
because
I me make sure
Candy was
tell
just
you from the
asking
get go,
her.
so me cannot fucking win you. You live a fucking England, brother. You have a accent. I me
All
cannot
right.
fucking win you.
I'm
I me not come on this,
misunderstanding.
come beat up my bumbo clock chest, brother. Me not come on this, I come beat up my chest, brother. Never that. You know worth it, my friend. So don't even come in on my lane, girl. Please. Don't stoop to my level. Come in and know you're in a bumbo clock now, my brother. Hey, push talk to your people and my girl. Tell them to mix, my brother. You know, from with them, I even come on blood clot Instagram. I don't because I know blood clot Melo. Melo and blood clot my mama G. That's why I come over here, so.
She
And
just
that's why I come,
ask
cause
if you
I
know
see the
somebody.
pussy hold them in a jar, my
Me
brother.
argue
And I
about
come
that.
and tell them
All
for
right.
them to stop it. Tell a girl to stay in her lane, brother. Cause me no want to start, cause she not get me to start. Me retire from them thing, them. Me a senior citizen now, my friend.
These people, I don't know
Me
who
a
they
senior bumbo
are.
class
1 minute,
citizen.
yeah. Wait
Me
there.
a
Listen,
senior
woman, let
citizen.
me tell you
Hey,
something,
girl,
yeah.
me
Let
say
me
me
tell
a
you something.
senior
Let me tell
citizen.
you something.
Hey, girl,
Listen,
no
let me
bumbo
tell
class
you
party.
But why are
something.
you
You
Hey, girl,
can't
no.
talk to
screaming
me
when
or you
she's not
don't.
Hey,
even
girl, no.
screaming?
Hey, girl, me hot in real life. Come
Listen
start
to
my
this
stop me.
easy
Stop me
woman.
start to chat. Hey,
Sorry.
bumbo world.
You
Don't stoop to me like
got
say
me
you not get the
snorting
time
now,
to talk.
bitch. The
Hey, girl, you
fuck?
not get the time to talk. So go where your bumbo class go.
I don't
Go
want to
where you
talk
go,
to
girl.
you.
Wanna mix
I
me. Come me
don't
fuck
want to
check them
talk to
out, girl.
you,
I'll vote in
bitch.
your
Take
life.
that
Hey,
red
girl, go suck your
$2
mother, yeah. I
do
don't
rag
want to mix
off
them
your
with
head
nobody.
because it
Hey,
don't
girl,
look
go
good,
suck your
okay?
mother.
You're
No,
full.
what is that? That girl can call out every day by the This is not me. Don't forget about clean every day and take care of the kids then. Go fuck your mother,
Huh?
girl. Me nah know
Suck
the
your
hate
mother
where they live.
back
If
too.
I fucking
Back ways at that. Suck your pooper.
I'm not
Suck your
gonna
granny.
lie.
Suck your grandfather.
Understand how it's
Suck
got to
every
suck
blood
your
clot
mothers
body.
already.
Come in no business. Move, man.
Suck
The
your
fuck?
mother. Go run to your mother, girl. You come back and come mix me up. Hey, girl, I mix me, do mix up big pussy, girl. Me don't do mix up your waist, girl. Cause this come out. Me don't want bucket come out this waist, girl. Me don't do
Let me
mix
see
up.
your face quickly. Turn your camera on because that do-rag is getting on my nerves. Just turn the camera on 1 minute quickly. Just turn the camera on 1 minute quickly. Mister, turn on your camera. Me no want to see the do-rag no more. Oh, fucking hell, girl.
I can't breathe. This is the first time I've seen Candy so calm. She's
Because I don't know
screaming.
this stupid bitch telling me about this and that. You could never box me. Right,
Hold on, this
listen.
lady needs to go and fight with her husband.
Listen,
That somebody else
listen.
going at the same time. She's pregnant.
The fuck you feel like? Bitch, me can't give no followers and no blood clot relevant. Go suck your mother and come back and mix it to nobody. So me a blood clot, leave the calm. I come back and talk about soup. Hey, girl, go suck out your mother.
Oh my God, this woman. Alright, basically, yeah, what I'm gonna say is, all you can say is suck my mum, suck my
Why
mum,
are
suck
you
my mum, suck my mum, but I already told you
shouting?
to suck out every blood clot body. So I don't know why you're over here.
Hey, girl, take off my pad now and box in your blood clot.
Why is she trying to steal fucking gifted blind? You're hanging around with gifted. Are you a $5 whore as well? That's why you got that cheap do-rag on your head. We're there. We're. You should have changed that profile picture. Move back where, but I don't have change. Just take off that profile. Fucking pisses me off with that now.
Candy will make it a minute spliff, but I got even have that energy, guys.
That's all I can do, cause she's getting exhausted. You ain't dealing with me no way, you know. That's what I can tell you. Alright, woman, you already said I'm in England. You know the talk you're talking can never come true, right?
Go suck your mother normal. I'm come up and this and done with you. Go suck your mother normal, my girl.
My woman's trembling now. Why is your voice shaking a piece though? Why is your voice shaking a piece though?
I don't understand why I got to this
Why
though, because it wasn't never that deep.
Look,
it's alright. Now you feel shame, innit? Now you feel shame, Carl. You hear your voice was trembling. Now you're starting to relax a piece.
What if you come back for you? I look relevant. Pussy, me can't get no blood clot relevance. Hey, girl, me can't get no relevance.
Relevance with that stupid $1 do-rag on your head, bitch. You should be ashamed. Go away. Please, man, this woman's getting my nerves, yeah. That's why
Wow.
Right, thank you. Thank you. Alright, that's why I turned on the camera. Turn on the camera.
Big pussy girl. Take off when you take off your filter, hear me.
She doesn't have a filter on.
Wait there. No, I do have a filter on, but hear what?
Oh.
She's gonna give me her, she said. She's gonna give me her. Wait there, let me just get it off. What did you say? Did you say you're gonna give me you? This is me now. What are you saying? Look at me. You look like me. Turn the camera. Turn the camera. Go on. Turn the camera. There's no filter on, woman. Come on. You just told me to do something. So where's your face? All I can see is that cheap fucking headscarf. Fucking hell. No, why is it always the ugly bitches? Why is it always the ugly ones? Why is it always the cheap hoes? Just stop. Because you're making yourself look stupid, woman. You're making yourself look stupid. Change that picture, furthermore.
Why
It's getting on my nerves. It's getting on my nerves.
One more card,
No, because she's a fool. That's why. She's a fool. She said to me, take off the
Stop this
filter.
shouting,
Where's
man.
your
Suck your
face?
mother,
All I
girl.
can see is that cheap, ugly fucking headscarf,
The
bitch.
fuck you
You're
feel like?
getting
I want
on
to
my
come down today.
nerves.
You come up
What
all
she's
about
doing her
blood clot
eyebrows
know
and her
anything you
makeup
don't
as
even
we
know.
speak here. Watch her turn it on
See?
in half an
They
hour.
know say about rectum to
Half
pussy
an
car.
hour.
My
Rectum nose
nose, you
pussy
can't
car.
talk about my nose, darling. Darling, can
Rectum
you see
nose
my
car.
nose? Can you
Rectum
see my
nose car.
nose?
Now I can't
Straight
look up picture.
nose.
We're two
You
different
should
nose.
not do
Yeah?
that, darling.
Yeah?
You cannot do that to me.
Rectum nose girl. Now you know the same thing. Now
Oh,
you can't come up together.
God.
Cause something go fight. Something right there.
No,
So
we cannot
I'm gonna
be
have to
put
tell you
together.
that.
You're damn right.
Oh.
Look at you and look at me.
And it's a
Oh
really
my
come
God,
out, a
my
relevant.
Lord.
My girl,
Oh
me
my
tell you
God,
me
I'm
please.
not
can't
gonna
stand a relevant.
Big
lie.
time.
You got told to
Me
shave
tell
your
Yeah,
you,
face
these
about
people are
me
4
giving
hours.
me
can't
a
give a
headache.
Oh
I'm not
relevant.
gonna
no.
lie to you. You
I
see these
cannot give you
ugly
any
bitches, they
relevance.
like to
I
talk
can't.
shit,
I
brethren,
cannot give
talking
you
about
any
relevance.
relevance. So why you
Look
come
at
up with
her
relevance
face,
with me
yeah. You
for?
can tell without the makeup,
Only
she looks
if
tough
you
and
them
old.
can't call this man
Then
with
she's
name
got the
fly
cheap
fly.
fucking do-rag on
How
her
you name
head that
fly
she got
fly?
from the dollar store. Shut up, man. You're getting on my nerves, woman.
Hey
You're
girl,
wasting
are
your
you
breath
come
for
up here
what?
saying no? Hey
You're
girl, are
wasting
you come up here so come
your
here
breath
and give
for
it to me
what?
now? Hey
You
girl,
like, why do you
are you come
feel
up here
like
so
you
I
can
look
talk to
attention,
me?
you know?
Oh, go
Hey girl, me never see
away.
you, you know?
Go away,
Me
go
never see
away,
you,
go
you
away.
know? Me never see you, you know, girl.
I
Just show you you don't have nothing to
asked you a
share.
question, then you
Me
told
never
me I
see
lied
you.
on you. So furthermore,
You
you're a
understand?
liar. You're the
Me no
liar. Do you
blood
get it?
clot no, you know, girl.
You're
Me never see you,
the
you know?
liar.
You're not
Yeah.
relevant, you know, girl.
That's
You're
why
not
you're
have no
arguing with me and
relevance.
your voice is trembling.
No
That's why
relevance
you're
you not have.
arguing with me
No
and your
relevance you
voice
not
is
have, girl.
trembling because me
Stinking girl,
not
you have
ready
no
now.
relevance. Crackhead
Me not ready
girl,
for
you not have no
the
relevance,
get
brother.
mad. Yeah.
Some of the bumble
You
clap pussy
fucking
and your wife
idiot.
in the
Shut
hand.
your
Hey,
fucking bubble
pussy, I
club
want
out.
little pussy
Listen,
wall to you
I'm
know.
still
My
waiting for
girl,
you to
hey,
turn the
pussy, so
camera
much
on. Where
bumble
are
clap
you,
page make you
woman?
text me for
Where
come
are
fire come.
you?
And me
Where
have a
are
little
you?
blood clap
Where
page
are
now.
you?
And me leave a
Where
blood
are
clap
you?
come for
Where the
Instagram
fuck
clip up, you
are
know.
you, you
And me say, go
stupid
and
bitch?
block
Shut
off
the
the
fuck
blood
up,
clap
man. You're
page,
getting on my
man. Come
nerves
me
now.
follow that,
Shut
you
up.
know. And you
Wasting
had
your
this
fucking
stinking
time.
girl for come
I
get
was.
relevance for me, you know. And that you're doing a post. You had this little stinking girl for come get relevance for me, you know.
But
I mean,
how
even our
then?
page
Because she was
anymore.
up here before you, so that doesn't make no sense.
What I mean by one
She
time
was
push
up here
at me.
before you, and she wasn't even hyping to you. She asked you a question, and you're up here
Ask me a
now
question though, what?
cussing.
Okay,
Hold
so
on
you
one
want text side
second.
now. So you
One
want text side now,
second. I'm not
Shawty.
speaking
Do
to
not
you.
fucking disrespect this
I'm
girl.
not
Me tell
speaking
her
to
say
you
it's
in
not
no
fucking
way.
me. Me tell her it's
No,
not
but
me.
you are up here being disrespectful because she's not speaking to you the way you're speaking to her. You've literally
My
told her
girl.
suck her mother.
Hear ya,
Do you know how
hear
much
ya.
stuff you've told her
Oh
in
yeah,
one
okay.
go?
Oh, I think my time is up, you know. My time is up. Cause me can't,
No, but
me not go
seriously,
stay. Me not go stay so
you're
until this.
saying
My time up.
that Puss added
Me not
her
do
up
them
to
here.
do this and
Me
that.
not do
Why
them a
can't
suck
she
me and my
defend
friend.
herself?
Me have more important things to do. You see them suck me here, me not do it. Them a suck me here. We only do every day from morning till night.
But clearly you
Me
do,
not do them a
you
suck
do
me
it
here.
because you're up
Me not
here
do them
just
a
like everyone else
suck me
and
here.
you're cussing
Me not
for
do
no
them
reason.
a suck
Like,
me here, girl. Me not do them a suck me here. Me not do them a suck me here, blood clot. Me come up here for Melo and Momo because the two of them are my G and I don't want to see them arguing. And that me combo. Me never combo nothing else. I mean, I know, me even know when I even start scream of blood. Michelle, you know,
yeah, I don't
girl,
know
you know, for
why
your
you
blood
did, to
clot.
be honest,
Hey, girl,
because
you
she
know, for
asked you a
you know, so you're
question.
not arguing with no blood clot body when I live where you live. What the fuck? Hey, girl, I idiot, you know. You're fucking idiot, you know, girl. There's a fucking idiot, you know, girl. You have to tap, you know. You have to frigging tap, you know, girl.
Bye,
Nah.
bitch.
You
Bye.
waste your time, you know.
Bye, bitch.
Fuck,
Your
man.
time is up. You know. Fucking bye. You fucking stupid whore with your cheap fucking headscarf. You feel like you can talk to me about, oh, relevant.
Girl,
Shut up, man.
girl,
I don't
it's
know what the
cheap as
fuck you're
fuck.
talking about, yo.
Rich kid. Yeah. So when you come up, me never tell us to stoop to me. And that me did tell you, it's
Miss
saying on a shame.
said you is
Rich
the
kid,
only one who's
you're
gonna
saying on a
bow down
shame.
to me. Do you
Rich
know
kid,
about bow? Do you know
you're saying
about
on a
bowing
shame.
down?
Rich
That's the
kid, you're
only
not
thing
a
you're gonna
shame.
do is sucking my
Bridge
pussy when I
nose, girl,
finish with
you're
your
saying
bumper
on a
clot. Shut the
shame.
fuck up, bitch.
Bridge nose,
Shut your
you're
mouth,
saying on a
yeah?
blood
By the
clot
time I
shame.
put my whole fanny on your mouth, you shut
Eh?
your mouth.
Bridge
Shut
nose,
up.
girl, you're saying
Shut
on a
up. You don't
fucking
know
shame.
nothing about me,
Bridge nose,
bitch.
you know what
You
about
heavy.
me.
You
You know
know,
enough
you
about
don't know
me.
nothing
You
about
know
me.
enough
So when
about
you're
me.
talking about
You
bow
know enough
down,
about me,
let's
girl.
talk about
You
bow
know enough
down. You're
about
gonna
me.
be bowing down to me and sucking my pussy, pal. Are you stupid? Are you dumb?
You know
Are you
enough about me.
stupid?
Yeah, you know
Fool.
enough about me. You win. You win.
Yes,
You know
I did
enough about
win.
me.
You have to
Yeah,
give it to me. Are
you
you? You have to
You
give it
win.
to me. Are you stupid? Are you dumb? Fool. Listen, you have to give it to me. The fuck? You know who the fuck you're talking to, bitch?
Hey, girl, that's so
Listen, it's only because I gave you a little blind in the beginning to run up your little stupid full mouth. But don't ever feel like you can talk to me, woman. You hear that?